Well, howdy do y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sarah Veda. If you don't already know, and if you do know, then groovy. Thanks for coming back, I appreciate you. So, today we're just gonna do a little redo of one of the first videos I did. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do victory rolls, with your hair already set, of course. And little ponytails to go with them, or pigtails as people call them. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I hope that y'all enjoy it, and yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to keep it rocking.